Hi, Dustin McMillan, ITL 606, week one discussion. This week it had us identify a common core standard, and to do that, I went to the California Department of Education's Common Core Standards, Elements of Education content standards for fourth grade, which I plan on teaching. And I picked a reading standard. By the end of the year, fourth graders should be able to read and comprehend informational text, including history, social studies, science, and technical tests in grades fourth and fifth, and band proficiency with scaffolding as needed at a high end of the range. So I picked that because I sat in on a fourth grade class here a couple months ago and witnessed this in the classroom. The teacher used the instructional grouping design, which students had similar learning needs that are brought together for a short time. Students are assigned as groups based on their need for additional help and time. What she would do was give the other remaining portion of the class some other things to do, and had a table in the back of the room where she called up the groups and went over their reading and writing assignments. And then you could tell that the groups were different in their funds of knowledge and what they had experienced, or if one of the last group was the one that had the most difficult needs. So she went over the information with them more extensively. So using that, the ability to group them properly in the classroom, have them share information. Some of the other things was monitoring their progress by going to the groups and every day in the classroom during that hour of reading. She actually had me read along with them in class, or read aloud for them, and then we asked questions on what we just read during the classroom. So a lot of information on these content standards for both math and reading and all of the different languages. So I'm just getting into them. So I hope this information helps